This 2015 Iron 883 with Wyatt Gatling exhaust on it. Found these on eBay for $134. They may change. I haven't seen any reviews or anything about them, but said they fit, so obviously they do. I was a little skeptical when they came in because they were so small. They're a lot smaller than the regular OEM exhaust on these, but you have to be careful because the crossover tube, I'm going to touch it because it's hot, but the crossover tube here is welded to the header pipes. On earlier models there's a bung on the slip-on itself, and these do not have that, so make sure you get the ones for your year of bike. These weigh 2.25 pounds a piece, 2.25 pounds, so they're a lot lighter than what the OEM slip-ons are, which is actually really what I wanted, as well as the black. I just wanted something lighter in black to get rid of the chrome. I think I'm going to end up doing a wrap for these header pipe covers eventually. These are a lot louder than the OEM ones. Now let's start that up for you. Hear exactly how loud they are.